I have been filming, deleting what I film, and filming again, then deleting again. I don't know. I just not sure if this information that I recorded today it would be something you want to know. And then I went to the pool, play the badminton with the boys and the girl friends. I mean, then I realized that I think the thing that's stopping me is I kind of get bored a little bit with the content that I'm trying to give to you because I don't really know that you really find it useful, and I take lots of time to do them, to film and editing. So I come across this feeling inside of my heart today that why not I just document my journey and just do what I love to do. And yeah, if you get inspired, then you can follow me and crochet along with me. If you have a question, you can ask, but I gonna stop to trying to educate you because I get a little bit of, I feel a little burnt out even though I'm in the holiday. I don't know, it's just weird feeling. And yeah, we will see what come. But I enjoy making videos so much, I think because I want to record and document my journey and just be me. And yeah, come along if you want to. So press the record again. And now is 9 o'clock at night. I somehow like the lighting now. I don't know. Today was a filming day, like all day long, recording, deleting. I mean, I still keep the footage, but I decided, I don't know, it's just too much information. And I realized, like, oh my God, this is maybe gonna overwhelm you guys about how to grow your Instagram account. And after I read the word that I asked you question yesterday on Instagram and on YouTube community page, like if you know my YouTube channel, there is the video playlist, home video playlist and community. In the community, I post something to tell you or ask you question, and end up many people not very interested to learn about social media, so I'm not gonna make that. And I realized that I'm going to make the video that I enjoy the most, which is this type of video. I want to share with you a successful story of our tribe member today. If you are part of our crochet tribe, Maya Luna Corazon, you perhaps already see I post today. One of our tribe members, Stephanie, and she is, let me look at her site. Her website called ninakinkrochet.com. Kin in German means child, like a child, kid, you know. So yeah, she published her first post today, like her first blog post, which I really proud of her because we've been talking about this and she really make it happen. So that make me very proud. I'll put the link under this video as well if you want to visit her site. And yeah, I have been working on a lot of things lately, even though I'm in the holiday. So I feel a little bit of, I don't know, full on a plan and thing that I want to do. The last video that I post actually just yesterday, how to, increasing and decreasing, that video was very intense to film because I don't have my proper equipment. I just have one monkey leg, and if you know what monkey leg is, like a tripod that you can twist around the leg of the tripod, and I'm trying to find the position to film, and that was very challenged because I have to kind of like wrap it around the share. And I really do hope you get the value out of that video. So if you didn't see it yet, you can just have a look. I put it here. I'm going to show you the work that I post also the other day. This is the pattern, the design that use my own formula. I share with you my crochet designer formula that you can download for free. And I post last week how I put it together. Today I wanted to write a pattern because I will be needing tester very soon. So if you interested to test this one for me, you can join us in Crochet Tribe, Maya Luna Corazon. And yeah, I already announced for tester last week as well, but not so many people apply. So I think it's a good way to announce it here on my channel for those who are crocheter, who are in, actually this doesn't need like intermediate skill. If you know how to read the diagram, I would say this is very beginner, but you need to have the skill of reading the diagram, and the diagram is quite easy to read because my pattern is come with the diagram as well as written. So you will be able to understand, and we're gonna making the testing round in Facebook Messenger group. So you need to have Facebook, you need to have Gmail address because I will be sending you the pattern or including you in the Google Drive. So you need to have a Gmail account, and yeah, you need to just have time to work on it. Honestly, this one take me not long at all because this is bulky weight yarn. So yeah, I would love to see your version. I named this one Aphrodite goddess, because Aphrodite goddess is a goddess of love, and this color is very remind me of love, maybe because it's red. So yeah, this yarn I use Eco Merino, and it's from Cascade yarn. I really love working with this yarn. I also have a poncho. I'm going to make a video tutorial of the poncho in yellow because I have a yarn from Lovecraft that they sent over to me. Lovecraft is my sponsor, and also Cascade Yarn, my sponsor company as well. I have working with many yarn company in the past 2 years, almost 3 years now. I never buy yarn at all because there are many companies that collaborate with me, and I feel so fortunate to try their yarn and to work with their yarn to create my written pattern. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. And also I have many designs coming out it will be from, I will have one more sweater coming out for the winter, and then when I go home I have this one, I put the thumbnail here. I don't know if you remember that one, the sweater with the yarn organic wool from France. And also I will be making I got the Cascade yarn as well. It's like a mix of wool and hemp in forest green, and I'm going to make a forest princess dress because I really want to have that one for the spring collection. And a few more designs coming out. And exciting news, I just signed a contract with one of the yarn company. I'm not gonna tell you now, but I just signed a contract to design something for this company. I will reveal to you soon when I actually have a yarn in my hands. Now I'm still in Spain, in La Palma, so all my yarn is at home. I actually have this yarn, I will show you. I brought 2 skeins of Alese Diva stretch because I wanted to make a swimsuit. So I got the green and the yellow. And the color maybe not as like the real color in the daylight because now I film at night, but still I want to make a swimsuit because we're going to swim, but I'm not sure if I have enough time. But I was thinking just to make very simple bikini top using my own method, you know, this one over here, where I teach you how to make the bra cup. So I'm just going to do that cup style. Maybe I'm going to mix two colors together and maybe just going to make thong. I'm not sure. I will see. I actually a type of person who like to wear high waist bikini bottom, but I also would like to take sun on my butt. So I think if I have thong, then I will get some sun on my butt as well. Oh, I enjoy this type of video so much, like talking to you and yeah, just sharing with you how I feel and what I do. I think this type of video I enjoy the most to make. Also video tutorial because I enjoy teaching you so much. Yeah, so before I go, because I just want to update with you what I feel today about the good news of our tribe member that she finally make it, and also to announce with you, please join us for the testing round in Facebook group. Also on Facebook page, I have a live training every Monday. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue every Monday. As I say, I feel like not many of you are interested to learn how to grow your business. So I'm just gonna perhaps just keep this for my student who take the class with me, and just gonna concentrate all my time to design something beautiful to share with you if that's what you prefer. Because for me, I think it's good to, I feel good when I create something and that you can make use out of it, like something that you're interested to learn. I don't want to just spend time to create lots of content and end up you don't want to see it because maybe this is not what you want. Maybe you just want to crochet for fun. And yeah, I just gonna spend all my time to build my business then. And you can just follow my pattern if that is what you want. I will have many more videos to come. I will have many more videos coming your way because I also want to continue to make video because I have so much to share, like the video that I enjoy making it and sharing with you my journey, my business journey and my designing process, and perhaps you get inspired and just do it your way if my way is not what you want to take, because I might have a different way approach the business. And for those who are interested to work with me, you can just always contact me because I love to work on one-on-one. I think one-on-one coaching is the best way because then I can help you direct. So those who are not really into growing your business can just enjoy my content and follow my written pattern. And I'm still gonna produce crochet tutorial once in a while to share with you what I do and the tips and tricks. I also have a video coming for you guys on February. I collaborate with one of the company that actually this gonna be part of the designing bootcamp because I want to make one video a long time ago, and I think it's a good time now to talk about how can you actually create the piece and make it look professional for those who have an Etsy shop and the website that sell your finished piece. I want to share a little bit my journey, that why I be able to sell my piece in a very high price, more than any other shop in the market. For example, in the past I was selling my halter top for like 120 euro, and people still purchase from me when another shop they sell for like $25, and I don't know why. I don't want to compare myself with that shop or many other shops that sell very cheap, because for me, my time I charge per hour, and the material I use also, I use a high quality material, and for that I was charging the price that higher than in the market. And I want to share with those who are interested to learn how can you charge the price that you deserve. So this video, I collaborate with one company that will also helping you to make your piece look professional. More info coming up when I go home, and this video will come out for you on February. So again, if you're new here and you like my vibes, you like my channel, you like connect with me, don't hesitate to subscribe. Just click that little bell next to subscribe button and be part of our family. I see you again soon. I'm gonna start with this cup, and I will show you next video when I film, maybe very, very soon. Good night. I talk to you soon. Bye bye.